G'day everyone. In this video I will show you how to set up an orthographic drawing. Now we'll just do it on one of the frames. I mean, it's exactly the same method for both, so there's no point to do both. Alright, so down here we're going to create a drawing. Now we're going to use a custom template. I'll explain why in class. A3, change to third angle projection, and do not include the title block. Okay, so that's coming now. I've got both of my assemblies, both of my frames ready in assemblies, so I'm going to insert one of those now. So when you are selecting it, you've got your part studios there, so you've got all your individual pieces, but I want to do this with an assembly, and I want to do the outside frame. So I'll bring that in. Now see, it's fairly small. Before I click anywhere, I'll come up here to scale, view scale, and I might change that to 1:4. I'll see how 1:4 looks. Yep, that looks fine. I'll put that, so if I'm just moving that around, and now I'm going to click. Just give it a couple of seconds for it to load. Don't click madly elsewhere. Now I'm going to just drag it up and click again. That gives me the top view. Come down to the front again, click and drag across to get a side view. That distance looks okay. And then come and click that again to get that darker brown, then bring that over here. That will do there. Okay. Now I'm going to put some dimensions on. Now you get the sort of trickier dimensions first. It's probably these little ones up here, so I might zoom in close, go to dimension. Now see, I'm going to bring it up here and bring the number outside, gives ourselves a little bit more room. Don't know why that's got 10.02, but anyway, I'll leave that there for now. There must be a slight mistake somewhere. And on this end, I'll put the 30, and then whoever's looking can see that those should be 3 10s as it goes across. I'll put the 30 here, and even though they're the same, I mean they are the same, but I'll put it on both times. We've got the overall length, which is going to be 380. Now you can see when it starts to get all those measurements on it, sometimes it's hard to see if it's all the same colour, where the drawing starts and where the dimensions finish. So we come down here to the little spanner, drawing properties, go to dimensions, and we'll just change the colour here. So see how that looks. That looks dark enough, bright enough. Nice hoed green. Close that one up. Oh, sorry, close it by the spanner. Okay, now we need to have a couple of dimensions to show the sides and the heights. So I'll go to dimension. Oh, that's doing the radius. I'll do that while it's doing it. So radius 15 down there. Now I'm going to try and go from, where are we? Dimensions. Okay, so it's gone 485. It didn't go right to the bottom. That will do for now anyway. So we'll get that one on. We'll need to have this one. So I'm going to take it from there to there. And I'll just put one there to show the thickness of the timber. Okay, that will do. Now the only other thing we need to put on is subtitles. So that's going to be top view. Tick that. Now it does that where it does keeps. I want it in one line. Now I don't know. I can't explain why this works, but if I click on it again and then click the cross, next time I touch it, I get that little box so I can drag it out. So down here, front view, and there's subtitles. So they go. Sub means under. So this one's front view. Tick. Cross. the side view. And this one here is called the isometric view. And we'll put our own little title block in here. So if we just come in, zoom into the corner, get the line tool, and we'll just approximate this. That'll do there, go to about there. And I'm doing the outside first, so now when I put the next line across, just escape off that, get the line tool again. That will snap onto the midpoint, so I don't have to measure those, they are going to be the same. So it goes to there, and I'll put one down. That should be enough there. Escape from that. Text. So it's called the folding stool. You always put the drawing, whoever's they're always labelled with the name of the person who drew it. And in here, I might just put year 10. And 2025 will do. Okay, so that's your orthographic drawing, labelled, dimensioned, title blocked, and with the 4 views. So good luck with yours.